So I went back to check and see how I've been doing. And in my Bitcoin price analysis WhatsApp group, February 26th, I posted that it's likely that we get up to 72,000 level or so. That would be above here. So again, I think it was the 6th of February, 6th of February, putting this low, bounced right back up. And then on the 26th of February, this low here was on the 24th, 25th, 26th. That's where we're on the 26th of February. I said, did we see the bottom? I don't think so, right? I don't think that was the bottom. I don't think it was 59,000 and so on. I think we're going to go lower. But it looks like we're going to retrace higher before retesting the lows and going lower. That would mean below 59, let's say below 60,000. Best strategy is a dollar cost average over the next 6 months, small buys consistently. Now, let's see. Oops. Now, on March 4th, so a few days later, I said we're almost at the 72,000 level. Once we get there, we'll watch to see signs that price will continue to retrace higher, or will it take out buy-side liquidity and turn around and continue lower? Personally, I think it's more likely that we will see price head at least to 79,322. We'll zoom into this in a minute. And at that point, we'll have to see whether we're going to continue higher into a bearish daily breaker that I had on the chart at the time. If BTC is going to retrace higher before going lower, which is what I expect, then that breaker might be the first place where we look for it to stall. This entire process could take weeks or months, and I've marked off the February 26th candle, the day of my prior post. Let's now zoom in, and see, this is the image there. So February 26th, I marked off over here. This was a few days later. And this is where I said I expect we're definitely going to come up into here. And then we might start to see it stall at the 84 or so level. But in the end, we stalled in the, let's see, 82. Where did we stall? Price, this is the live chart. 82,150, which the high was 82,000, almost 83. So I'd say that's pretty good. And then the stall, this is, we're looking at a weekly candle. Let's drop down to daily. We stalled, right in the middle of this gap over here, right in the middle of a bearish weekly breaker that goes all the way back to 2025, April 2025. So it's more than a year ago. And now we're dropping as expected. And I expect that the next stop is going to be somewhere between 40,000, maybe even the mid to upper 30s possibly. But let's just say the bottom will probably be somewhere between $40,000 and $60,000. And I explain what I was seeing there in a longer video, which I will link below.